small quantity particularly placed by truck forward. Then board decided seeing the capability of our own workshop, Jamalpur and placed order for 250 wagons from Jamalpur and 280 for Europe. It is a matter of pride for all of us. Jamalpur workshop is able to turn out the first phase.
जमालपुर कारखाने का ऐतिहासिक पल, अब यहाँ होगा BTPN वैगन का निर्माण। आज पहली रेक में 49 BTPN वैगन को रेलवे बोर्ड, PCME ईस्टर्न रेलवे एवं जमालपुर वर्कशॉप के अधिकारियों द्वारा वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से हरी झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया गया।
Now I will request you, sir, to back off the rail.
All officers of board headquarters, I, Civil Jamalpur, I take this opportunity to thank all the respected members of board, headquarters, and welfare team for giving this opportunity. This is the first BTPN rake being manufactured by Jamalpur, and thank you.